Here it is, guys. Finally, we got the cammed motor. I wonder what it's gonna sound like, dude.
Blah, 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 blah. Takes the speed cam, takes the speed PRC ported heads on it.
Before this video gets started, guys, I do want to mention we are in the final hours of the red eye giveaway along with $20,000 cash. There's a timer up on the website and we are running 50x entries for the rest of the giveaway. It ends tonight at midnight, guys. Do not miss out. Check out goonzquad.com. Check out all the official rules. But first, let's take care of two things on this red eye. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna continue working on the Corvette ZR1. And as you guys seen, we finally threw down some paint and it is absolutely beautiful. This high voltage orange right here looks crazy and you guys absolutely love it. So we're super happy about that. And also we finally got our whole entire parts car right here, the Z06. And basically we have every part that we need in order to finish this whole entire project up. Which actually, now that I'm thinking about it, are we building a Z06 or a ZR1? Which one?
Hey, on the title, we're building a Z06.
Exactly. So basically, we're gonna have a clean title Z06 with a full ZR1 package. I think I seen a comment call it a ZR6.
I think we're calling it that. I think that's what it's gonna be. Yes, sir.
Dude, it's gonna, either way it goes, it's gonna be a crazy build. So we're just super excited to have this project moving the way that it's moving. And actually, our engine could be done either today or tomorrow. So we got to get to moving on the whole entire chassis here, dude.
Yeah, we got to get this thing painted. That way, all we got to do is just throw the engine in, you know?
Exactly. Yeah, put that powertrain together and just pop it in there. But we do got a good bit of body work on our hands. We got to fix some fenders. We got to just sand some stuff. So I think that's what we're going to do right now. We're going to get to moving on sanding, body work, and then we're going to get back into that paint booth. All right, check this out, guys. We are making some amazing progress on these parts right here. So the doors, super easy. We completely sanded those suckers down. Front bumper, pretty much completely wet sanded. The fenders, them suckers over there are pretty dang tough. That carbon fiber is super thin, but you know what? We're managing, so we're almost done with that. But something super impressive about this GM paint is how thick it is. I mean, look at that thickness right there. Is that normal right there, or what do you think of that,
That's
dude?
some good paint, but the bumper does not look like it was sanded. They probably tried to use some adhesion promoter, but it started chipping back.
Yeah, because it was super shiny, which only means one thing, not sanded. But another pretty cool thing about this, I guess, parts car right here is they literally painted these stripes in it. These are not decals or anything. They painted these stripes. And they're pretty dang flawless,
yeah,
man.
That's really good. I think this is like a special anniversary edition when they did this right here, which is nice, but you know what? They should have sanded the bumper a little bit better, because that's not the only spot. There's a few other spots that it's chipping and stuff like that. So we're gonna have to definitely sand those and prime them. But other than that, she's ready to go.
She's ready. But look at this, dude. Another crazy thing. These stripes right here and the doors are actually painted on. How do you even do that?
Paint
it
on
man?
And then clear coat it over. I mean, that's some professional work.
So you have to
right
literally
there.
tape it up or something?
No, I think they sanded it, painted those lines, and then clear coated it. You know what I mean? Or
That's
while they were
crazy.
painting the whole entire car, they did this before they did clear. You know, and up here, over there, they did them everywhere.
That's pretty impressive right there. But okay, let's go check out these fenders over here right quick. Finally got one knocked out. You're moving right along with these.
Yeah, that
dude.
one was easy, super easy. This one was just cracks all the way throughout, and even cracked again when I was working. I mean, these fenders are like paper thin over here. They're literally, I think, thinner than like a quarter. They're so thin right here, so it's very, very, very hard to sand pretty much without cracking.
Exactly, but they're super lightweight fenders, and like we mentioned before, always best to have original. And these are beautiful fenders, dude. I love the ZR1 style fenders. We're definitely gonna throw carbon throughout this whole entire thing. I don't know what it is about carbon, but we love it, man.
I mean, better than black plastic, you know.
Yeah, that's very true right there. But I guess let's try to get this stuff knocked out, and then we also got to split the headlights, right?
Yeah, got to split them open. Might as well go ahead and start splitting them open and get the inside sanded.
Buddy, you melted the whole headlight. Now that right there was not supposed to happen, guys. So we went ahead and split open these headlights, popped them in the oven and everything. And the first one that we attempted actually got melted a little more than we wanted. This one got charbroiled pretty much right there. The whole bottom pretty much got destroyed, and also the lens. Well, actually the lens is still good. We did not remove the PPF that was on it, and that's why it looks so crazy right there. But we also went ahead and ordered 2 new lenses, because over time they just get a little just old and deteriorated. So we got some brand new ones. Also, I went ahead and ordered another headlight right quick for like 160 bucks or 200 bucks. Not too bad at all, but the main thing was to take out that inside piece that's gonna get painted the same color of the car. I think it's gonna look just the best. I mean, some people do run the all black, some people have even carbon fiber ones. I think the color matched are gonna look the best. But anyways, I think we are ready for the paint booth. We're gonna load everything inside, and we're gonna spray some color down.
there you have it, guys. We finally got the rest of the parts painted. Man, that took a good bit of time because, I mean, we had body work still on these fenders, the bumper, and a few other little areas, but we got it knocked out, slicked in that beautiful orange color, and it all turned out perfect. I mean, the clear coat just does not tell a lie. Look how slick that looks. Bottoms of the doors, tops of the doors, both doors, they're knocked out. The bumper is knocked out. That is looking super good. Got it all just fresh. I mean, had to get all up in there, lay that clear down. Man, it looks so good with that vent right there. Almost forget how good that front bumper looks, especially with all the pieces on it. It's gonna look even better. And with the paint match headlights, all that just, it's gonna tie in so well, dude.
Dang, dude, those headlights right there turned out so slick, dude.
Dude, I cannot wait, especially with the new lenses that we ordered. They're gonna look practically brand new. And those little chrome bezels, I think we're gonna spray those in black. It's just gonna make everything pop, dude. But I mean, it's pretty much it. All we gotta paint is the side skirts on the car itself and the hood, which that's simple stuff. The car, we're pretty much gonna need to drive it in here, and we're gonna have to drive it in here with a new motor, dude.
That is right. And actually, our motor is literally about to pull up, I think in like 30 minutes or so.
That's crazy.
That's so crazy,
That's
man.
super quick turnaround. A huge shout out to Honey Badger, but he's about to pull up. We're about to check this thing out, and that's pretty much one last step in order for us to just throw this whole entire project together. Golly, it looks even better in the sun. So we actually brought this stuff outside, even though it's fresh. We wanted to start baking. This is actually my first time seeing this color in the sun, dude. And the crazy thing is, this thing just switches colors on me. I mean, any angle, any direction, the sun hits it differently. It changes from like a bright orange to a dark orange to even like, it almost looks like a dark red,
Yeah,
dude. It's
like if
crazy.
you go from this side over here, like look at that fender right there. It almost, yeah, it turns into like a super dark orange red, dude. This color is crazier than I thought it was,
Dude,
man.
it has so many metallics in there. That looks super clean. My goodness, man. This is a good looking color, man. I told you to listen to me on this.
Hey, say thank
Told
you,
you.
Simon, for
Told
picking
you.
this beautiful ZR1
This
color,
is
man.
crazy. I mean, in the sun, it's breathtaking. It's gonna be insane. All one on the car. You know what I mean? All
Yes.
is one.
Here it is, guys. Finally, we got the cammed motor. I wonder what it's gonna sound like, dude.
Blah, 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 blah.
I know it looks good. Dang. What on earth,
I see a
dude?
little bit of upgrades here and there.
There's a lot of stuff that you can't see going on the inside. Wow, dude.
Dang, brand new heads.
Heck yeah.
Dang.
What's up, Dylan?
What's going on, bud?
Well, you pretty much brought this thing back to us in one day.
Something like that.
You guys absolutely
On
knocked it
video
out.
stuff, it almost looks like one day, you know what I mean?
Well, how long did it really take? Like, what, 2 days?
48 hours.
It was fast.
It was fast.
Overnighted everything we could. We made her happy.
Awesome, man. It looks good. I know you said you had to do some upgrades. What was that, the ported heads? Is that what it was?
Yep, valve guides were ruined on the old head. So, I mean, the quick cheat sheet, I guess you could say. It's got a upper grip tape pulley now, so we got a little bit more
Nice.
spin to the Charger now. It's got Texas Speed Cam, Texas Speed PRC ported heads on it. All the valve springs, push rods, damper as well. All the gaskets and everything associated. So
These are new heads, right?
Oh, yeah.
absolutely.
Those are ported heads, dude. Dang, that looks good right there. And as for the cam, what route did we end up going on the cam?
Texas Speed Stage
Oh,
3.
Texas Speed, yep. Okay, so it should-
Supercharger cam. Yeah,
Nice.
It's meant for what you're about to do to it. So
Heck yeah, I can't wait to fire it up, see what it sounds like. But heck
I'm
yeah, man.
excited for you.
Yeah, we're excited too. Alrighty guys, so the motor has officially landed and you guys already know the rundown, the basics, what's been done to it. But what's the most important thing about
Just
this
the
thing?
chop, man. It's the cam.
Yes
dude.
sir, them chopsticks, man, them lamb chops, man. This thing is gonna
Stage
sound
3.
good, man.
Stage 3 LS9 cam, the biggest cam you can do with the
Mm-hmm.
supercharger, which I think it's gonna be perfect. And I mean, we weren't trying to go for a race car, but I think we ended up with a race car, dude.
It's too late. We're gonna be pushing around 800, 900. I think we don't want to go any higher. We can now that we got ported heads.
Ported heads, smaller pulley, gonna have an upgraded fuel system and stuff like that. We're just gonna have a super sick street car that can put some bus links on you guys.
Hey, get out there and bust them.
Don't pull up. Don't pull up.
Dude, this thing is gonna be rowdy out there, dude. That's such a light car, the ZR1. Plus, I hear that the gears are super long. It's gonna be crazy, man.
Hit every gear, dude. It's gonna be insane. So, I mean, we're ready. We got the engine. This thing just needs to be put in and fired up. But we got to get the chassis ready. We got to figure out the wiring harness situation. You got to just pretty much have that Z06 ready for this engine right here, dude.
So let's go ahead and pull both cars side by side, I guess, and figure out what we're gonna do.
Fenders came in, guys. They're from Temu Express and Alibaba.
Dang, dude. I'm so happy we saved our original fenders, man.
100%. I mean, we ordered these like right when we got the car because we could not find any fenders. But dude, that extra time was definitely worth it. These
100%.
are junk. It's kind of like when we were trying to get that Porsche going. That's the exact quality right here. I mean, you could make these work. You're just gonna have to take lots of time and love and care on these right here.
Yeah, we got our motor and we got to get it in there, and that's pretty much our game plan, right? We need to pretty much get the motor and drivetrain, everything in, and drive this thing, right?
100%. That's the next step, is to go ahead and start throwing the whole entire suspension, the whole setup that we dropped down. We need to put it together and pretty much just push it back up underneath this thing, bolt everything on. Hopefully everything plugs right in, and hopefully that key just works.
Oh yeah.
Did you get a key for this thing?
No, we don't. I don't think we'll need a key for this thing because we're not going to use the immobilizer from this. We're going to use the immobilizer, the key system from that car.
Oh, so we're going to have to swap some keys over.
Exactly. But dude, look how crazy this thing looks, man. It looks great,
It looks
man.
so good, especially with that rear end, this front end just together right there. I cannot wait for the hood, the doors, and everything to be on. And of course the engine to be turned on as well.
Hey, next video, we're gonna be putting that stuff together and hopefully get our first start.
Oh yeah.
But guys, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video. We're super happy with how everything is going, how everything is turning out, but the end result is gonna be absolutely mind-blowing. So you guys need to stay tuned, drop all your comments and thoughts down below. But with all that being said, we'll catch you guys next time. Peace.